everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to edit the details on actual container in shipment in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Here, we have to select the respective shipment. On the shipment details page will be displayed on the screen. Here, we have to select the actual container tab. Then we have to click on the edit symbol. On this container consignment page, we have to edit the required details. Then we have to click on the Save Changes button. This is how to edit the details on actual container in shipment in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.